Hi guys, here is the advisor, and in this video, we will look into what is Stacks and what makes it different from other chains. First of all, Stacks is a layer 1 chain that leverages BTC security by recording and securing Stacks transactions on the Bitcoin chain, and it enables to create smart contracts which read Bitcoin state, and the final goal of Stacks is to integrate native and Lightning BTC for DeFi and NFTs. Before going on, I must say that this is not a financial advice, but the purpose of this video is educational only. The first thing to know about Stacks is that it's built on Bitcoin. So it uses Bitcoin chain as base layer to settle all transactions. Moreover, dApps can interact with the Bitcoin state. This approach makes it almost impossible to reverse transactions and to build on the biggest chain, and unlock billions of Bitcoin capital by having apps that uses BTC as currency. The second thing that you should know about Stacks is the proof of transfer consensus mechanism that links Bitcoin and Stacks chain. It basically recycles Bitcoin proof of work to benefit from the Bitcoin decentralization. Proof of transfer can be seen as an extension of proof of burn mechanism. In fact, the way it works is that Bitcoin miners commit BTC to win Stacks blocks, which will give them Stacks reward plus transaction fees in each block, while users that own Stacks token can lock it and receive the miner's committed Bitcoin. This process is described really well by this picture that you see here. The third thing that you should know about Stacks is that the smart contract language is Clarity, which has some benefits with respect to Solidity, for example. Some of Clarity features are being predictable, so developers can know how contracts will execute. It is also decidable instead of being Turing complete, which increases safety but loses a bit of its expressiveness, we could say. And finally, it also gives visibility into the Bitcoin state. If you're interested in becoming a Clarity dev, you should look into Clarity Universe, which is a 6-week program to learn and become proficient with Clarity. And I will show you the website immediately. Clarity Universe, sorry. Here, and you can join the course and read a bit more about the program. And I will also leave a documentation on Clarity in the description. The fourth thing that you should know about Stacks is that it aims to enable native and Lightning BTC to be used for DeFi and NFTs. The infrastructure to allow this is still being researched and developed, but a good example that is already available is LNSwap, which allows trustless Stacks to BTC swap. So as you can see, you can connect your wallet and then have swaps between Stacks and Bitcoin or native Bitcoin. And we're going to soon also enable with XUSD, which is a dollar stablecoin. And also in the future, for example, Alex platform, which is a DeFi platform, will enable borrowing and lending of Bitcoin. Finally, one thing that you know about Stacks, if you're new to the ecosystem, is that it has its own token. For example, one of its roles is to incentivize mining, but as BTC gets integrated in deeper ways, you can see Stacks token to become more as gas for the chain. In conclusion, thanks for watching the video, and I'll have some educational resources links in the description if you want to dig deeper into Stacks ecosystem. And if you're new to the ecosystem, make sure to watch my video on how to download the Hero Stacks wallet to interact with the apps in the ecosystem. And I left the link of the video in the description too. Make sure to look also at other videos that I made covering DeFi and NFTs on Stacks, and see you on the next video.